Up, you better stop and watch this. Look at that melt. So this is my first bye-bye wig, and I am thoroughly impressed. So this is the wig that I picked. It is a highlighted curly unit, and I was just here because being pregnant, I just don't have the energy to do my hair. So when I got the opportunity to try this new closure that's been going around social media, especially on TikTok and YouTube, I was like, okay, let me try it to see what's going on. So this wig comes to you ready to wear. The knots are bleached, the lace is plugged, the hairline is plucked, I'm sorry, and the lace is already cut. So all you have to do is basically wash the unit and style it to your liking. Now, these are effortless wigs. So if you are a girly that is not used to doing that herself, this is the wig for you. So, like I said, I've been pregnant. Therefore, that's the reason why my videos have not been up like that. And I've just been tired. And, but I just been feeling like, and I just wanted my hair done. So I was like, let me just give it a try, especially because I want something that's easy to go, that I could just throw on. So, I'm gonna not do the melting of the ball cap. I just don't want to do that anymore. Like, I just don't. And I'm gonna use my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16 to tint the lace back. The length of this wig is 24 inches. And this is the lace on this is so huge, you guys. Like, it gives you a lot of parting space and everything. It does come with combs and adjustable straps and an elastic band, so this will definitely fit snug on you. I am a size 22 and a half, 23, so I do have a bigger size head, and this fits me well. I do have a weird hairline, so a part of my hairline comes lower on the sides, as you can see, like it's peeking through, but that's okay because I'm going to cover that with the baby hairs that I do make. I'm going to add a little bit more of that makeup just to make sure that it blends in with my skin, and as you can see, it looks amazing. Like, look at that. This is not even melted down, and it just blends seamlessly into my skin, okay? So I am going to use Red by Kiss or Ruby Kisses, whatever product this is. I'll have a link down in the description box. And I'm going to blow dry it on cool for it to get tacky, and then I'm going to lay the lace down and blow dry it until it's fully dry. And I'm going to do that to both sides. Now, using a product like this is optional. This is a glueless product, okay? But like I said, it's optional. I'm using it because, again, I have a bigger head and my hairline is peeking through. So I just want a little bit more security. You do not have to do this, okay? You could utilize the combs, utilize the elastic band with this, and you will be perfectly fine. But me, I like my wigs thoroughly secure because I'm like, I just don't want it flapping at all. The edges, no, nothing. I don't want nothing flapping. So I like to go in and use the products like that. I rarely use glue. You will rarely see me use actual glue. If I do use glue, it's because I'm going somewhere important and I really want my lace to be super laid. So once the lace is down, I'm going to go in with my hot comb, press the hairline back just to make sure it's neat. I'm going to take the same product and my melting band that came with the hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and let that melt, all right? While I was off camera, I did comb out this hair. As you can see, this is more my zhuzh, okay? I like big hair like this, but I was like, we're going to do a neat look for this hair. So I did pull down some of the edges so I can make baby hairs, and as you can see, I'm pressing it backwards just so it could be neat and out of the way. I am going to cut those hairs and curl them with my little flat iron that I ordered off of Amazon, and I am going to lay them with some spritz. Once I do have the baby hairs laid down, I do go ahead and spray them again with some spritz, and I do wrap it with my melting band. While I'm doing that, I did wet the hair so I could tame the puffiness, and I'm just loving this. Now, if you tone this hair with purple shampoo, this will turn to like an ashy whitish color, you guys, which is bomb. This literally took at least 10 minutes for me to install, which is really bomb. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I'm pretty sure this is on Amazon too, and I'm pretty sure you can also order this off of their website. I will have everything linked down below for you guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe because that always helps me. Bye.